Oh, oh. Hey guys, it's JJC and welcome back to my channel. This is part 2 of the YooWigs hair review. This part is the coloring part of the video, honey. If you want to see the official review, which is part 1, please click this link right here. To start off with, you want to section your wig into 4 or 5 or 6 different sections. It just makes things easier. Now, as you can see, I have flung off my wig, baby, because it got hot in this bitch. The hair shop I went to only have one of each of these colors left, so we got Cream of Nature and Carmelo. In both these colors are intensive reds, and I actually got gloves this time because I just did my nails myself and I don't want anything to mess them up. Oh, look at them dry hands. Okay, so I'm gonna get both the peroxides from the different packets and I'm gonna mix them both into one bowl. Then I'm gonna take the color sachets and mix them both into the same bowl and mix until everything is good and mixed up. Try and mix for, let's say, 30 seconds to a minute or 2 minutes if you can. And then when you're done, just take apart each section of the hair. When you take apart each section of the hair, you want to part those into little smaller bits. Take your comb it out before you start lathering on the color. For this whole wig, I actually used 3 packets of hair dye, and they all sufficed for this whole wig. This is a 24-inch wig, and 3 packets worked for the whole entire wig. So yeah, you just basically repeat this whole process for the entire head of hair and then you're pretty much done. It's very, very easy. Hello, it's me again. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Alright, so after you finish lathering up the whole entire piece of wig with your hair dye, you want to leave it on for, let's say, an hour to an hour and a half. Or depending on how rich you want the color to be. I guess, I don't even know if that has anything to do with it. But yeah, I left mine on for like an hour and a half. An hour to an hour and a half. And then I washed it and dried it. And this is the finished product. Yo, this hair is actually mad. I love it. I love everything about it. Like, look at the way it just flows. I didn't straighten it or anything. I just used a blow dryer to blow dry it. And even after the bleaching process, it didn't lose too much of its curl pattern, of its kinky straight pattern. Oh, oh. The frontal, the melt on the actual frontal, I knew that I would be shocked. After I melted the actual frontal with the glue. This is a finesse. This frontal is a finesse. Oh, I'm about to be scamming niggas. I am really about to be scamming. Oh, bitch. Say something else. Say something else. I do not regret spending that money on this hair. I don't regret it. You would want to ask me what regret is? I don't know. because I don't regret it. I'm sorry I didn't record the actual like what I did and how I put it on my head and this that. Like the way I actually apply my frontals is so complicated. I don't think if you lot try to follow it as a tutorial you would start cussing me. I'll put out like a full tutorial on how I put on my wigs and pluck it and do this and do that when I figure out how to. But for the meantime you're just gonna have to make do with seeing the final product. The hair color didn't come out as bright as I'd want it to, so I might end up lightening it in it. As in the stupid what's it called? This stupid hair dye I used, I wanted to be extra because I wanted permanent reds this time. I didn't want semi-permanent because when you straighten it and this and that or wash it, the colour fades. So I was like, let me just get something permanent and see. But it didn't come out the way I wanted to, so I will probably end up lightening it later. If you lot do actually want a tutorial on how I put on my lace, let me know. But remember I told you here now, it's a bit complicated. Like I said before, I knew that the short parting on the side was going to be a problem. Even where I put it is too much. I usually like to part here, and I couldn't do that because of the small parting that they have at the front there, like on the sides. I didn't do any more bleaching to this hair. Like I did not bleach it at all, and I still love the way this hair is actually bleached. Like I did end up doing a lot more plucking. Not a lot, I did end up doing a little bit more plucking, but the fact that the pre-pluck was already so good, it was very easy to pluck whatever I needed to. I don't pluck on the mannequin, I pluck on my head just to make sure I get my hairline correct. Oh, 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 oh. Now I'm gassed, I love it. I love this hair. I love everything about it. Oh my days, no regrets, no regrets. Anyway, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of your girl. That's me. Hit that like button if you liked the video. If you didn't like the video, you're probably not here to see it anyway. Hit that notification bell so you can be part of my notification squad. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Peace.